This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the market wrap for March the 26th, 2007. In the news today, the Commerce Department reported that sales of new single-family homes fell by 3.9% last month to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 848,000, the slowest sales pace in nearly 7 years. All regions of the country except the West experienced weakness last month. The Florida housing market leads the nation in delinquencies. There were more than 19,144 properties in some stage of foreclosure in February in the Sunshine State, up 63.5% from January and nearly double the number a year earlier. The report covers several stages of foreclosures, including notices of default, notice of trustee sale, notice of foreclosure sale, and real estate owned, that is, properties already foreclosed and repurchased by lenders. For stocks in the news today, General Motors has a bid on the table for the Chrysler Group and remains a long-shot candidate to acquire the struggling Daimler Chrysler division. While GM's offer made in late January was initially rejected by Daimler Chrysler, the bid is still active as other potential buyers gear up to make their own proposal this week. Citigroup, the nation's largest bank, is considering cutting about 15,000 jobs, or nearly 5% of its workforce, as part of a restructuring plan being developed to improve its financial performance. Citigroup, which announced a cost-cutting review of operations last year, has come under heavy criticism from investors because its expenses grew faster than its revenues last year. Intel announced it will build a $2.5 billion chip factory in China, giving the U.S. company a bigger presence in the booming Chinese market and boosting Beijing's effort to attract high-tech investment. The factory will supply chipsets to customers in China, which Intel expects to be the largest information technology market by the time the facility opens in 2010. As for earnings news today, Walgreens Company said fiscal second quarter net income rose 25% as sales at established stores increased in the strength of a strong retail prescription business. Net income for the quarter ending February 28th increased to $651.9 million, or 65 cents per share, from $523.5 million, or 51 cents per share, in the year-ago period. Agiri System, a maker of semiconductors used in network equipment and storage systems, said Monday it expects second quarter sales to decline roughly 12% from the first quarter as several key customers work off excess inventory. The company in Japan said revenue for the quarter ending March was expected to be flat, with the $372 million record in the December period. Revenue totaled $397 million in the second quarter of fiscal 2006. The scheduled economic reports for Tuesday include the Retail Chain Index for the week of March 24th, consumer confidence numbers for March. As for earnings reports on Tuesday, we have Deutsche Bank, H.B. Fuller, Lennar, McCormick, Red Hook, Owl, and Brewery. This has been Ivan Caesar for the Market Wrap, March the 26th.